Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the weekly analysis for this new week that it starts from the 17th, today Monday 17th of March, towards the 24th of the third month of 2014. You're watching Bitstamp in multiple time frames. Last week we saw basically the price is still trying to generate potential opportunities in order to produce a new uptrend, or why not the continuation of a potential sell-off. Right now we still see very low volume, and the price according to what buyers and sellers are trying to create is still generating a huge consolidation, as you can see between 3-day chart and the daily chart. There is a lot to take in right now, and there is not enough volume from buyers or sellers to give direction to a potential trend. Could be a downtrend, could be an uptrend. This still's 50-50 chance at the moment. We might see potential opportunities in the small time frames during the course of the week, where price can start fluctuating between supports and resistance, higher prices or higher levels and lower levels, supports and resistance, and potentially the opportunities will come with one or two targets once again. Kind of like a counter trend operations, where we minimize our exposure, we reduce the amount of entries we do. Let's say for instance we go with funds on less than 50%, or maybe between 50 and 80%. Instead of going 100 like we normally do, go to one or two targets and get out. That's basically how it normally goes sometimes with counter trends. But what is most important at the moment is the weekly chart is still showing no signs of eventually new uptrends that it can give us more opportunities. However, the price is still absorbing minor resistance in the small time frames, such as daily chart and 3-day chart. 3-day chart is actually building a very interesting consolidation, as you can see. In the previous week you all experienced a potential higher low that it was actually given entry in 650-695. It didn't happen. Instead we experienced more absorption from the buyers against the sellers, and obviously a long consolidation in daily chart and so on. Right now everything seems very 50-50 at this point. As long as there's not enough volume on the market, we might see the sideways trend for a little bit longer. However, it is important to know that we might find opportunities in intraday times, and why not small time frames such as 15 minutes and 60-minute chart might give us an opportunity during the course of the week. But so far the week shows that as long as we don't have enough volume on the market, we might see once again a very flat market, kind of like a boring market, to be honest, when there is no unbalance with the market itself. We need an unbalanced momentum to take to make decisions and take considerations where we should point out our strategy. And if this happens, we might see a potential uptrend, a breakup that it might reach 650 once again, and why not higher lows in a small time frame such as 240-minute chart and maybe 60-minute chart can give us more opportunities. If this happens, we might have to experience first thing is price needs to reach 634.99 in order to bring new opportunities for a potential uptrend. If that doesn't happen and sellers take full control once again, sellers have to reach or penetrate below 620 to get a new lower high in the small time frames to try to push the price towards, why not, potentially the SMA 200 one more time, which is located at 521. That's the situation at the moment. We're going to keep an eye on them. Opportunities will come along during the rest of the week. We have a chance of 50-50 right now. There is not much to tell apart from the fact that we need to pay attention and make sure we take advantage, we minimize the risk, and we get as much gain as possible. Thank you for watching. I'm Lucano. This is Mundobitcoin. Have a great week trading. See you around. Goodbye.